Alright, kiddos. This time we gotta add some bubble lives. Because we want to make some of our bubbles be boss bubbles. Anyway, so, as I like to do, let's close all of our windows and get to work. So, first off, let's open up OBJ bubble, basic window, whatever, I don't care if you're closed or not, but let's go ahead and close it. Alright. First off, we need to go ahead and make a create event in here, because we're going to set some lives. So, OBJ bubble, set lives to 1. Most of our bubbles should just easily pop with 1 life. That's all they need, 1 life to live. It's real poetic, right? Anyway, up next, we need to check the collision with OBJ gamma ray. We're going to be actually doing a lot of stuff here, so get cozy. Stretch out these windows so you can see everything. Alright, so we're going to start by putting a drag the destroy instance other block to the top of the list. Let's see. That would be this one right here. Next up, what it wants us to do is drag in the set lives block and set it under the destroy instance other block. So, where's that at? Right here. Set lives, we're gonna subtract 1. You should know how to do this because you watched the last video, right? Right? Anyway, so up next, we need to drag in an if lives block and go ahead and set it so it activates when our when our bubbles lives are less than or equal to 0. So what's it want us to do? First off, drag in this destroy instance block. Then we're also going to drag in all of our other stuff, our script, and whatever things you have applying to it whenever it gets destroyed. Now, we're going to go ahead and keep score right here at the bottom, because no matter what, if we hit that bubble with our laser, we want to make sure that we do give the player some points for it. If you don't want to do that, just drag the score here, but I think that's rude. So, we don't need to do that, except I don't know how to drag it out. Control Z. That doesn't help either. That's not good. Well, I guess I have a mean game from now on, right? Incorrect. Let's do this. Alright. I seem to have goofed up this whole thing, but it's okay. I can fix it. Alright. Should still work. This is programming in action, children. Sometimes you just goof up a lot. Anyway. Up next, we need to go ahead and open up another bubble that we want to make big. We want to make a big boy bubble. So I want to make that bubble too. What I've done is I already went ahead and turned it into SPR bubble XL01. You guys may be using this because I told you to pick whatever bubble for whatever you feel like doing. So, first thing I did was overrode the create event for this bubble. And I want to make it speed 1. Why? Because I think that's a little bit more fair if it's a gigantic cluster of bubbles. Up next, we need to go ahead and set the lives. Let's go ahead and set those to 3, so it takes 3 shots to kill this bubble. And I think that should just about do it. Let's see if this thing works. These guys are spawning okay. Where's my big boy? Oh, there they are. Oh, alright. It does indeed take 3 shots to destroy these guys. Now you may be wondering, Mr. Billings, why is the pop effect always popping up? That's because I actually like it better when it does this. If you want to know how to do it, just watch my video again and pay more attention because I've actually already shown it to you. Now I'm honestly just having a good time. I should probably... Oh no! Looks like I'm gonna die. Anyway, kids, hope you have a good day. Have a great time. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.